What is going on, guys? I'm the Crypto Pickle. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. If you are new to EOS and you want to experiment and learn about it, I highly recommend blocks.io. If you're an EOS token holder now, this is the place to be. It is the site that has any tool you pretty much need when it comes to EOS. So let's get into it here. I'm going to give you guys a nice review of blocks.io. This is what blocks.io looks like when you first get there. We have a 7-day EOS price history chart. We have the top 21 block producers on the EOS mainnet. These are the standby block producers waiting for one of these to fail or get voted out. So if you're an EOS token holder, I highly recommend you either proxy your vote or vote for some of these people. A proxy is much easier, especially if you don't really care about the back end stuff. You can just proxy your vote and let someone knowledgeable choose for you. You can do that through blocks.io here. I'll show you how in a second. So this account tab here, Crypto Pickle, created a year ago. I have 84 EOS in my account. This is my RAM. Also, you can see every transaction on the EOS network here, obviously because it's open source. This is my wallet where I can stake CPU/net, buy solid RAM, etc. We got a DApp page here if you want to play some dApps, decentralized applications. The vote tab is an easy way to vote. You can just select who you want, and then this blue button here will register your vote. Proxy, in my opinion, is easier though. I'm currently proxied to Brock Pierce 1. We have a tokens page with EOS IO tokens here. You can look through some of those. We have the EOS resource exchange up here. We also have a DEX section, decentralized exchanges, where you can trade some of these EOS IO tokens. You can also earn some moolah here. If you proxy, you can earn 2.16%. With this More tab here, you can view the DSP Portal. If you're familiar with liquid apps, statistics, you can also view some other things here. But like I said before, this is one of my favorite tools for EOS, especially if you're new to the space and you just want to check out some blockchain techie stuff, just mess around, trade some tokens, whatever. I highly recommend blocks.io. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next day.